If you are looking for the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanners, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sounded it based on the features, process, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have BAFX Products Bluetooth Diagnostic OBD2 Scanner. The BAFX Bluetooth OBD2 scanner can read and clear diagnostic treble codecs (DTCS) on both Windows and Android platforms. The device provides users with an easy setup so that even beginners can diagnose and check their vehicles on their own, and can even be made to work smoothly using third-party applications like the Talk Pro. The BAFX OBD2 scan tool is compatible with all American-based vehicles manufactured in the year 1996 and later. Unlike other cheaper models in the same price range, this scanner does not have any issues with J1850 and CAN systems, so you can rely on its compatibility and performance. The scanner offers real-time sensor information and can send it to your phones via Bluetooth so that you can be remotely informed about crucial data. You can get a demo version of the software when buying the scanner to use with your PC. BAFX product users offers a 2-year manufacturer warranty and also boasts amazing customer service that can deal with any issues your scanner faces even after the warranty expires. That said, since this scanner has been designed to work for vehicles in the United States, and any international clients outside the US may have compatibility issues, check with the manufacturer before purchasing if you're planning to use it on a vehicle outside the US. Even though the device doesn't cater to iOS users, it still holds positive reviews in the Android and Windows communities, making it an ideal choice for basic OBD2 scanner. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Blue Driver Professional OBD2 Scan Tool. The Blue Driver is a master of diagnosis and repair, so it isn't focused on things like fuel efficiency and other living driving data. It does provide you with accurate and detailed data readings on your car system and appropriate fixes for any issues it discovers. Not only do you get to avoid any waste of time disconnecting your devices, but you can benefit from remote online downloads and upgrades without having to worry about connecting wires to a device. The wireless features also makes the Blue Driver very easy to set up and use even for beginners. All you have to do is plug it in and read the data on your smartphone or tablet. Another helpful feature is that the software is free of charge for downloading on Android and Apple platforms, making it convenient to connect with your mobile devices and gadgets with a quick download and pairing of an app. The bottom line is that the Blue Driver saves you money and time, making it a smart choice for any buyer. The number 3 position is held by Fuzil Wi-Fi OBD2 Scan Tool. The Fuzil OBD2 Wi-Fi scanner is not just a scanning tool. The scanner comes with a built-in Wi-Fi connection for mobile devices so that you can read, diagnose, and clear any and all OBD2 error codes in your vehicle's computer systems. It is great for all vehicles that are OBD2 compliant and comes with the data link connectors having 16 pins. The Fuzil OBD2 Wi-Fi scanner can show sensor data in real time after getting each diagnostic, which is especially useful when you're checking the results of modifying your engine, replacing any of your vehicle's parts. You can collect information on the horsepower, fluid temperature, and fuel status using the displays as well. Another great feature is the scanner allows you to see the load value, time advances, airflow rate, pressure intake, and oxygen sensor voltages, among other things. All this data can be viewed on your mobile devices with the Fuzil OBD2 Wi-Fi scanner when it's connected to the OBD2 vehicle system using a stable Wi-Fi connection. The software is amazingly easy to download and install over Wi-Fi onto your Windows, Android, and Apple devices, so your car diagnosis become easier. After getting the software, all you have to do is run it to check your vehicle. The scanner is ready to function and checks your car the instant you use the app to connect your phone to the OBD2 system. No fancy procedures necessary. It will offer various options where you can pick what areas to analyze and diagnose. Along with that, this scanner can also work while your vehicle is in motion, so long as it remains close to the dashboard. This way, a driver can simply see when the car has an issue and take the appropriate safety measures to avoid any further damage. Next, at number 4, we have VPeak Wi-Fi OBD2 scanner adapters. The VPeak Mini Wi-Fi OBD2 scanner is ideal for Android, Windows, and iOS devices and is compatible with all vehicle models manufactured within the United States in and after 1996, including light trucks and minivans. This scanner can work on all American, European, and Asian vehicles within local transactions, so vehicle models sold outside the United States will have to be checked for compatibility before purchasing this scanner. However, as far as local compatibility goes, this scanner supports each one of the 5 OBD2 protocols. The VPeak Mini scanner can be connected to your Apple, Windows, and Android devices with considerable ease, which isn't something you can say about other well-known products with similar price tags. The scanner can connect with old and new models of each device to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes. Since the device is totally wireless and does not rely on connecting wires, you are provided with the ability to freely roam your garage and even drive while you use the scanner to monitor everything. The VPeak Mini Wi-Fi OBD2 scanner is a great choice for any vehicle if you're looking to save a few bucks when troubleshooting your vehicle. It is definitely a great addition to any beginner or professional's toolbox so that they can remotely read and clear codes and diagnose issues to make sure the vehicles are running smoothly. If you are looking for a compact wireless scanning tool that is easy on the wallet, the VPeak Mini Wi-Fi OBD2 scanner is a great option. The number 5 position is held by KitBest Bluetooth OBD2 scanner and adapter for Android. KitBest's Bluetooth OBD2 is an excellent little device with a lot of technology in it. You can take advantage of its amazing features if you have a vehicle of 1996 or any newer model. It is known for its wide range compatibility. A trouble-free scan is now possible with a mini scanner that doesn't require extra spaces in your car. OBD2 protocols that it supports include CAN, KWP2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 91412, and J1850 PWM. Get the OBD2 app and control various problems with your smartphone or tablet. This mini wizard enables you to fix simple problems by yourself. It doesn't only tell you the problem but also the ways to fix it. You can read the diagnostic trouble codes and then reset it. It is compatible with all Android devices by using a downloadable app. Moreover, it keeps you informed about your engine. The real-time engine data is at your disposal, which includes engine RPM, fuel system status, short long-term fuel economy, intake air temperature, and more. The data further contains information about intake manifold temperature, coolant temperature, vehicle speed, and oxygen sensor voltages. This easy-to-use device contains KitBest Bluetooth OBD2 adapter and a user manual in its packet. It comes with a 5-year replacement warranty, and the company's customer service is excellent. The number 6 position is dominated by Innova CarScan Pro 5210. The Innova CarScan Pro 5210 can tell you more about your car than the competition, which is why it is a top pick among the best OBD2 scanners. The Pro 5210 scanner's 2.8-inch color screen is bright, and its narrow and long aspect ratio means it can squeeze in lots of automotive details, from fault codes to live data to a pre-inspection check. Its LEDs light glow red for a permanent fault, yellow for an intermittent fault, and green for no problems. The CarScan Pro 5210 goes beyond displaying the expected fault codes with a Bluetooth connection to a phone or tablet and Innova's repair solutions to pre-app. The software explains the repair and even the parts needed to fix the car. With the 9-key interface, the Pro 5210 is one of the easiest of the best OBD2 scanners to navigate. It found the fault I introduced to my 2014 Audi All-Road and turned off the car's check engine light. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Ansell BD310. Top among best OBD2 scanners overall, Ansell's BD310 is just as good as a handheld scanner with a screen as it is when connected to a phone or tablet via Bluetooth. It can also augment the car's cockpit with a supplemental display of key engine parameters. Think of it as a freedom of scanning choice. Small and lightweight, the BD310 measures 5.1 into 2.4 into 0.6 inches and weighs 5.4 ounces, meaning that it can live in your car's glove box. Its icon-based 2.0-inch color display is a little scumpy but easy to figure out, regardless of whether you want an IM inspection, readiness test, or performance details. Like coolant temperature, engine timing, and engine speed, they can be shown as number or graphs. It is a 56-inch cable that makes it just as good for hanging over the hood looking for an engine problems as monitoring the engine while surviving. On the other hand, the BD310's rudimentary 4-key interface can make navigation awkward. There is also a mod button on the side for selecting Bluetooth and cable operation. The number 8 position is held by Autel Autolink AL539. Autel's Autolink AL539 is one of the best OBD2 scanners because it does something that most other OBD2 scanners can't. It can check electrical connections with a built-in multimeter to uncover pesky electrical shorts or burnout cables. Just note that the multimeter is a standalone function that doesn't work when the AL539 is connected to the cars as an OBD scanner. The AL539 has connectors for the 4 multimeters included test cables for doing anything from checking continuity and current to voltage. The device's lithium-ion battery powers it for checking fuses, the alternator's voltage, or the gas gauge. The AL539 not only shows live data like engine speed, coolant temperature, and other items, but also can run a comprehensive pre-inspection readiness key. It shows results as 3 lights for fault, red permanent fault, yellow temporary fault, or green no faults. Despite its soft rubber bumpers, the AL539 is fairly compact and light at 6.7 into 3.6 into 1.4 inches and 10.6 ounces. It has a unique pull-out leg so the device can stand on its own, as well as generous 58-inch cable. Its bright 2.8-inch color display has icons for major functions as an easy-to-follow 8-key interface. Next at number 9, we have Think OBD100. Small and inexpensive, the 5.6-ounce Think OBD100 scanner is perfect for a quickie diagnosis, roadside repairs, and running a pre-inspection test. However, it lacks the depth to explain deeper automotive problems. The Think OBD100 can disappear in a glove box and includes a USB cable for updating its firmware. On the downside, the scanner 1.8-inch screen is an inch smaller than many competitors and feels cramped. Its 4-quadrant home screen is simple with entries for diagnose, lookup, setup, and help, but the 4 yellow circles above do nothing. That leaves the rudimentary 4-button keypad as the only way to interact with the scanner. In addition to displaying current fault codes, the Think OBD100 shows live car data like spark advance and engine speed, but it spreads the data over 38 pages. After I introduced a fault into my 2014 Audi Allroad, this OBD2 scanner diagnosed the problem and I was able to turn off the check engine light. Unfortunately, I had to manually type the code into the lookup section to find its meaning. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Topdon Artilink 500. With many of the abilities of a professional OBD scanner, Topdon's Artilink 500 does a lot for its $59 price tag. Big and bulky, the Artilink 500 weighs 10.2 ounces and its 54-inch cable has a lighted connector at the end that helps with plugging the scanner in. The scanner can be updated using its included USB cable. The Artilink's 500's bright 2.8-inch color screen shows fault codes, a pre-inspection readiness report, and definition of what its fault codes mean. The 8-key interface is efficient and lets you pick from the major categories. This OBD2 scanner shows live car data, can graph it, and lets you print it. Artilink 500's OBD database has many of manufacturer-specific codes that widens its scope and compared to those that only generic codes. After I introduced a problem with my 214 Audi Allroad, the scanner showed the fault and zeroed it on the problem. I was able to turn off the check engine, but like the scanner stopped short of providing repair advice that the Coscrone Pro 5210 does. At $59, the top-down Artelink 500 provides many of the abilities of a scanner, costing much more, but is on the big and heavy side. That's all for today. We upload product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.